Yes, this is beautiful Har Meron, right in front of my house here in the holy city of Tzfat. You can see this beautiful mountain. That's the burial place of Rabbi Shimon bar Yochai, and I wanted to let you know that tonight, and tomorrow is like Baomer, the 33rd day of the Omer, which is the Hilulah, the passing day of Rabbi Shimon bar Yochai, the great Tana that brought the biggest light to the world with the book of the Zohar and the teachings of Kabbalah. Powerful, powerful day that you do not want to miss. So as usual, we prepared on my website a page. It's atzmut.org/Lag Baomer. You can find the link in the description wherever you see this video, where you can follow this link, and you'll find on that page the prayers that need to be recited. It's in Hebrew, it's in English, it's in Aramaic. It's not a lot. There's all the instructions what you need to do on this auspicious day. You can do it either tonight, Monday night, or Tuesday, tomorrow, all day. But no question that if you live in Israel, you should come to Meron. There's plenty of videos on my website where you can find all the explanations why we go to Meron and what's so significant about the passing day. But if you can't, obviously, then be there spiritually. Follow the link where you can find all the instructions what you need to do on this powerful day. Take advantage, because it's a very, very, very powerful day. And needless to say, that B'ezrat Hashem, I'm going to be going to Meron, and as usual, pray and learn and enjoy ourselves there. So if you want to submit names that I will mention next to the grave of Rabbi Shimon bar Yochai and his son Rabbi Elazar, then you can use the same page where you can find the link where you can submit the names, and there's a place where you can submit a small donation. The donations go to poor families, to feed poor families, and we always want to sweeten judgments and increase in our merits when we give a little bit of charity. But to take advantage of this powerful, wonderful, spiritual, amazing day, and set it up for prayers and all just positive things. And B'ezrat Hashem, please share this video with everybody that you know, and that B'ezrat Hashem should answer all our prayers in the merit of the tzaddik, and we should all merit to have a wonderful, healthy, successful, safe year. And I wish you Chag Sameach. Please share this video, and B'ezrat Hashem, hopefully I'll see you right over here in Meron.